Welcome to this 2007 built 4-bedroom, 3-bath home, located on a 1/4-acre lot that backs up to the association's private park lands in the quiet Whisper Ridge subdivision on the outskirts of Menomonie, Wisconsin. You may need to click on the arrow below to start your tour of this beautiful custom-built home. We'll enter by going under this covered porch and step inside. This home offers wow factor from the moment you walk into this foyer. You'll notice not only the very detailed trim work, but look closely to notice the amazing detailed inlay medallion in the wood floor. Walking about 10 feet down the foyer, you'll find yourself in the living room. This floor plan is open, faces south and is bright and sunny. Not only is this room accented with the stone gas fireplace, but there is a touch of inlay wood floor in this room too. And wouldn't you agree, the chosen paint colors really pop the vaulted ceiling? Here you can see more of the inlay highlights of the flooring and the openness of the floor plan. In the dining room area is the patio door that walks out to the deck. We'll step out there in a few minutes. The kitchen opens to the dining room and hosts a nice-sized snack bar with pendant lighting over it. There is a pantry with shelving off to the side of the refrigerator. And the appliances are in like new condition, with the exception of the dishwasher, which is newer. The door straight ahead opens to the heated and insulated 3-car garage. And walking past the refrigerator and to your right brings you into the first floor laundry. This laundry room has a laundry tub and a large coat closet.